Okay, guys, so I'm going to take a few minutes and we are going to review multiplying and dividing decimals by a power of 10. So in our video last week, they talked about when you are multiplying your decimals, you are moving your decimal point to the right because your numbers are getting larger, so we're moving it to the right. When we're dividing, we are moving our decimal to the left. So in this first problem that I have here, this 5 8/10 times 10 to the second power, if we start out and we write our 5.8 and we take that decimal and we're going to move it. We're multiplying, so we're going to move it to the right, and we move it to the right the same amount as our exponent. So we're going to move it over one spot, two spots to the right. So this ends up becoming 580. And then this one down here, we've got 2.8 divided by 10 to the second. So since we're dividing, we are going to be moving that decimal to the left. So if I start with my 2.8 here, we're going to pick up our decimal. We're going to move it over two spots. We're going to go 1, 2 spots, put our decimal back down, fill in that placer zero. So this one is going to be 28 thousandths for an answer. And on this problem here, 673 9/10 divided by 10 to the second, we're going to start writing our 673.9, and we're dividing by 10 to the second power. So since we're dividing, we're going to take our decimal point, we're going to move it over two spots to the left, and then we're going to put it back down again. So this is now going to be 6 739 thousandths. This one down here, 23 7/10 times 10 to the second power. We're multiplying, so we're going to move our decimal 2 to the right. So we're going to pick it up. We're going to move it 1, 2, put in our placer zero. So this one is going to be 2,370. And our last two problems here, we've got 3 1/10 times 10 to the fourth. So we're going to pick up our decimal point and we're going to go over 1, 2, 3, 4. Put in our placer zeros. So our final answer for that one is going to be 31,000, and 49 2/10 divided by 10 to the fourth. We've got our 49.2. We're dividing, so we're going to the left 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Put your decimal back down. Put in your placer zeros. So this one, 0, 0, 4, 9,